In this video, basically we are going to learn how to generate more leads on GoHighLevel hosted video. It should be a funnels, it should be on websites. It's super easy, and I will guide you step by step. And also, if you are a trainer, if you are a coach, and if you have your own webinar funnel, so that's videos for you, and you can generate more leads, more customers, and more grow your business. So let me dive in video without wasting time. I will show you step by step how we can implement this. So right now I'm in my GoHighLevel account and I'm in a funnel area, and I have just already created dummy funnel. So I just go to the added mode, and here I just take full width. I will just take one column, add some text, heading of your course, whatever your course heading is, and similar I will take another column, and here I can just put a video element. And right now I have no video here, so I just drag a video element here. So I have just add video. I simply go to I will host in a GoHighLevel, so select video, and right now I have multiple video in my account, and I will use this one. I don't know about the video. Here is the main thing that we are going to learn about. Yeah, it's autoplay. We will enable autoplay, and also here you can see follow back speeds, show pending times, and full screen toggles. It's up to you. You can use these all things. The main thing is that generate leads from video. I just click on it, and on the, for example, this video is, I will start in a like 0.2 minutes and 1 second. I will pop up a form for lead. I will pop up a form. Here is multiple form available in it, so I'm going to use just this test form and allow user to close the form and continue video. No, we don't allow it because we are going to grab this lead. Otherwise it's up to you, but I'm just not allowing this right now. I just save it and make it publish, and simply just go to the funnel right now, and here we can just it's auto played video. So once it play, and here we have some log. So basically video don't have 2 minutes, so I just go back again and I will set up a time. Here it's not a mint, we will set on a 3 second. I just implement this and make it live. Set to main, publish, update it, and right now we will check here. So here is a video, and we have some log here. When video is here, so it will ask you put your data here, and after the data you can put, it will be goes to your backend, and you can capture the lead and you can start sending them follow-ups, emails, and SMS. So I just go on a backend and I will set up some automations for this. We'll just go here. I just create workflow, start from scratch. So I will add video tracking actions. So I will add some filter here. So for example, I will say the funnel we have generated any of these, or like we have make new funnel right now. There is a lot of funnels, so I will going to use this one, video leads, and we will add video is we have placed a video. The video was, I think, this one. If you cannot select, it will be goes for all videos. So I will set trigger here. After that, here whatever you want to add here, send emails, SMS, it's up to you, but right now I'm going to send SMS. We will add here just add the tags and say contacts, full name, and say hey, you leave video on 3 second. We have offer on at the end of video. Whatever message you have, you can put on it, and after that you can put your thank you message. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step. Thank you so much for watching this video.